Everyone, welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to get your driver's license in Indiana. So this is going to be a quick video, so watch until the end of the video to get the full results. It's going to be easy. I'm going to be answering every question that you guys have. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, comment what you think about the video so that I can improve it in my next video. So you go click your in.government. So I'm going to pretend that I'm a new resident since most of you guys are trying to get a driver's license since you guys moved to like Indiana. So what you do is you have to bring your current out-of-state driver's license, a copy of your official driving, or a verification letter. If you don't have a driver's license, you can you need to take the written um, you need to take the written permits test. So this is for the learner's permit. You go click here. You need to take the driver education course, like from I Drive Safely, Aceable, and after you take it, you need to get your driver's permit, but you must take the written one. And after you do it, you need to hold the driver's license for 30 days or 180 days, my bad. After you hold it for 180 days, which is 6 months, you can get your Indiana driver's license. However, here's the catch, you must pass the road test. To get the road test, you must schedule a road test for Indiana. Schedule a Indiana road test. You must bring your social security. You must bring your um, passport, your ID to show that you're a real person. Also, you need to show the completion of your driver's license course, like ACEable course. And yeah, you can call their contact center 888, and here's the number to like take the road test. You can like schedule it, and this is easy. So you need to have a inspected vehicle, a vehicle that works, and basically that's it. And after you take it, they're gonna charge you like $36 or something that you have to pay. So don't forget to bring your credit card. Also, other thing that you have to be careful when you're driving, you need to stop in the stop signs for 3 seconds. Like you must stop and then go. Like you must fully stop in the car. Be nice to your instructor. Um, don't forget to obey the laws. And you can schedule a driving test here too. You click here, mybmv.bmv.ingo. You must log in or you can create an account and make sure to choose the closest location. Don't go like far away. And yeah, basically that's it. Don't forget to bring your SSN, your ID card, your employment authorization card, like any of that thing, to show that you're a real person. And basically that's it for this video. Don't forget to check the other forums, check Reddit on how to get an Indiana driver's license. And basically that's it. Thank you all so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.